Hello, Vanakkam. Welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a simple option which is useful for a conceptual designing. You might be aware of that. Massing, we're going to discuss. It's a basic settings that we're going to discuss, and the next upcoming videos will have a continuous sequence on this, how to create massing and what are the massing. So this video gives you the glimpse what is possible in the massing. So let's go ahead and see massing option under the tab massing and site. And you'll be able to have an option in place massing option. And once you do that, it will automatically enable the views which is compatible with the massing. Give a massing name, which is a in place kind of an in place family that we are going to create. Create the object that you wanted. It's similar to the extrude option that we do, and make a dimension that you needed, and you can stretch wherever you need it. Once it is done, which is very simple, you can go to 3D and see it. It's a geometry that we have, and you can select the geometry and you can click on the create form. Automatically, you will be able to see that the form is created and the 3D elements will be there. The advantage is that you can customize this each edges, as like in Rhino or SketchUp. You will be able to customize these edges, not that much, but you will be able to customize it and with the limitation that we have with the Revit. So we will be able to edge, corner, and points. You will be able to customize it like this. Once the customization is done and your required shape is achieved, you can go ahead and finish the massing. You can come out of the massing. You can select it. You can see them as single mass object mass 1 we have selected. And what you can do is you can even extend the bottom side to the position that you wanted. We have by default option of creating custom curtain system for these elements. What I need is I need these two faces, create a system. The curtain systems will be created, and we will be able to modify the grid lines and position of that, and we will be able to do that. These are coming as a default. And in wall setting, we used to have this option. Maybe you never used this option. You can pick a face and you will be able to pick the faces that you want to create the walls, solid walls. And you have to change the type before doing that. And once these things are done, we can assign the curtain system details as well. Something like this. Select the system, go to the type, and we will be able to assign the parameter as rectangle, million, and copy this. Paste it to the all other sides as well. So this is just a glimpse, as I said, this is just a glimpse that what can be done using this curtain systems that we have available with the Revit. Also, this gives us understanding that what massing can do for a building conceptual designing, and as like in other softwares like SketchUp, we will be able to customize our shapes and we will be able to start our models from here. Now this is very easy. Afterwards, we will be able to customize our each floors and we'll be able to do the detailed designing from this. I hope this tutorial helped you. And as I said, we are going to make a series on the massing, how to use the massing, what are the options available in the massing. We'll be doing that as a next tutorial. Do follow for more. Do let us know in the comments specifically what topics or what options you want to cover in the massing. We'll be able to do it as a separate video for you. With that, thank you so much and share it with your learning friends. Bye bye. Take care.